Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Anvesha with you. I hope all of you are doing absolutely fine. Now this is Valentine's week, so I had to make a video on Valentine's Day makeup look, but I thought I won't make just one video. I will make 3 videos regarding this week. First video, which is today's video, is going to be Valentine's Day makeup look. The second video is going to be Valentine's night makeup look, and the third video is especially going to be for my single ladies out there. For that you have to wait a little bit. Now looking at me, you're probably thinking, oh my god, I'm not going to put this much of makeup in my face in the daytime. I get that. Now it happened because as a last shade I decided to put a very vibrant pink shade, and that's why it is looking so vibrant and so like night-like. But if you don't want to put that, this is a very day-friendly makeup look, and I'm sure you're gonna get a lot of compliments, so why not watching this video? My face is well moisturized and I've already put a primer, and I have set my brows as well. Now I'm going to go with a foundation. First, I will take it and I think this one is a little light for me. Yeah, definitely it is. And I'm going to take a little more for my neck because we can't forget that part. Alright, now after foundation I will conceal. I'm seeing where I have a bit of pigmentation. I'm going to conceal those areas. Like, it's not necessary you have to put this in everywhere. It's just a bit of it, you know. And now I'm blending it with a concealer brush. And now that it's half blended with the brush, I am going to go back in with the beauty blender. Okay, now to set my face, I am going to use a baking powder, and I am going to use an angle brush like that. This is a local brush, by the way. And I am going to take a little bit and I will set full face of mine. I am concentrating this especially on my T-zone because that is where I sweat the most and I have oil glands basically. Okay, my face is set now, and now with the same brush I am going to pick this color and I will apply it on my cheekbone. I am done with the blush, and from the same palette now I am going to go with the middle color with the same brush. I haven't changed my brush for like anything, it's just one brush makeup tutorial that you're seeing right now. And I'm going to lightly contour slash bronze my face. Little bit on my forehead. Alright, I think I'm pretty much done with my face. I'll use highlighter later, like at the last. But now let's move on to eyes. Okay, I forgot we need to prime our eyelid first, and for that I'm taking the same concealer. Okay, first I need to set the lid, and for that I'm using the same color as my skin tone. I'm getting a pink vibe today, so like for the transition shade I am going to choose this color. This is such a pretty color. And then I'm going to use this pink one. I don't know, I don't like pink that much, but I really wanted to go with a pink look today. It's weird, but this is not bad. It's like cute and pretty and bubbly. So far so good. Now from my Swiss Beauty palette I am going to go with this true pink color. It's like that, very vibrant it is. So I think I want to put it on my corners. I don't know if it is going to look good, but I guess I just want to try it. So I am going to put it just on my corners. This is my first time trying something like that, so I'm not that confident, you know, with the look. So that is exactly what happens to me whenever I try to do any colorful look. I just go overboard with colors. Like, it was so unnecessary to put there, but I just wanted to put it. Like, it's not an everyday look at this point. It's not an everyday look. I'm going to take this flat shader brush, and from this palette I am going to go with this color for my lower lash. And now I am taking a very small and defined brush just to blend my lower lash line. Now I am going to take the shade as a shimmer. I'll put it on the center of my lid. This is how it looks like. It is frosted pink color. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Alright, I'm done with my eyeshadow. I'm quickly gonna pop on these lashes. These are not very dramatic, but these have some flair to it. So I'm gonna quickly pop on these lashes and I'll be right back. Alright, I'm back with the lashes. It's time for highlighting, so I'll quickly do that. For lipstick, I am going to use the Makeup Story by Shy Style in the shade 06 Shy. So this is how the lipstick looks like. It's a very beautiful coral nude shade. Alright, so that is what this makeup has turned out into. I know I have gone a little overboard with the last shade, but if you skip it, you can wear it in the daytime. I don't know, whenever I look at my eyeshadow palette, I'm like, I want to use every single color. So that is all for today's video. If you like this video, do not forget to give me a thumbs up. And if you like this face and want to see more from me, please subscribe to this channel and hit on that notification bell. So whenever I upload a new video, you will get notified. And until then, stay happy, keep glowing. And now I'm gonna go to find a boyfriend. Bye.